Hello everybody, so finally after some time I have something new to show you. This time we have a blank gun, Walther P22. This gun I wanted for a while, but I bought a different one, and then I was telling myself, oh, why didn't you buy this Walther, as this is much better subcompact gun. And if you have an alarm gun or simply some blank fire gun, you want it, if you want to wear it always with you, you want something that will not be heavy and be, how can I say, hard to wear it, because you want something to be with you and be light, compact. Okay, so here you can see it comes with this really nice box. On the sides there will be your serial number. Here's the name of the gun and also the caliber size. It shoots 9mm pack, blank ammunition. Inside we could have some lift notes. Here we have manual with all the basic information and stuff how to operate the gun. Here you can see the gun is single, double action, 9mm pack, magazine, 7 rounds, and also the total weight is around to maximum 1.5 kilo, so what is great. The total length of the gun is 15.4 centimeters, and the barrel height, if it is necessary information, is 87 millimeters. So you can shoot also some pyrotechnics, lens flares and stuff. It shoots blank cartridges, and you can see maximum effectivity with gas is 5 meters and pepper gas is 8 meters. So continue some other warning instructions. Here we have an warranty paper. I bought it in RPEC Poprad. It's some army shop in our city. If you ever come to Slovakia to see High Tatras and you visit Poprad, go in there. You can buy some really nice stuff there. Here you can see some another manual in my Slovak language. And we have some really nice presentation leaf note of all the blank guns Walther and the company creates. Really nice. Also these Smith & Wessons, they are really nice as well. I think I will take a look at what they sell, and maybe I will buy some revolver as well. Yeah. Okay, so here we have the Walther P22 and also some quality control. So here we have the adapter for the lens flares, not lens flares, for the flares, yeah, sorry about it, for the flares. So the barrel is threaded, so it looks like this, doesn't look that bad. And here we have some cleaning rod to get your gun clean. Okay, let's continue to the gun. So, gun, as you can see, it looks really nice to the real steel version. Basically it is 1-to-1, as it is made by the same company. Really nice thing. You can see you have the rod there. Here's the serial number, but of course I blank it out for the security purposes. So new ammunition inside, as I was making another video. Okay, so there is some small corrosion inside, I just noticed, but no problems. If they will make problems, I will just simply clean it. As you can see, this is half plastic gun with a metal slide. I don't know what kind of I see a crack probably in there, just noticed. Oh yeah, I will maybe have to claim this. You can see there not a really good presentation video, I believe. Okay, but I will ask for that the seller I bought it from, if it is really a crack or simply it is the way it is built. Okay, let's continue with the review. You have it is for both for the right-handed and left-handed usage, and it is really nice, light and compact. If we will compare it to my Zoraki 914, as you can see, it's quite the same size, but the thickness is quite different, because this can hold out up to 14 ammunition, and this only 7. Thus it accepts 9mm pack. The loading is quite easy. What to show you more? The weight is really nice. This one feels like 1 kilo, and this is almost half of it, so it will be much easier to wear this one instead of that other. So when it's safe, you cannot shoot, but you can always cock the hammer. When it's on fire, you will shoot. It cost me 122 euro, what is I think great price for such a quality gun. It is made in Germany, so no Turkish or Italy producers, and it feels really nice and it looks really nice compared to Genu. I have found some video disabling the Genu. I will disable also my this alarm gas pistol and see the difference to tell you. But I'm really interested if that is breakage there. I'm really interested for sure, or if it is okay. Maybe it is on purpose, who knows, we will see. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any comments or questions, please post them in the comment section below. We will make soon, I hope, a video of shooting this gun, and please like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you soon on next video. And I hope you enjoy it. At least I was able to show you some English video again for you English speakers. And also let me wish you everybody awesome holidays, Merry Christmas. I don't know what you are praying for, but here we are Christians, so we wish Merry Christmas. Also I wish you awesome New Year with all your family and loved ones. Please enjoy these times, those festivities, and recharge your batteries and have awesome New Year ahead. And I hope we will see you everybody again next year and next Christmas. So be safe and enjoy the holidays. Thanks again for watching, and see you later. Okay.